PSJ family, I'm Melinda Garza. Thanks for tuning in to this edition of Up to Date with PSJA. Our top story this week, 6 of our baseball players have been named 6A West RGV All-Stars. That's double than what we had last year. The top seniors from across the Rio Grande Valley will be picking up their bats, some for the last time, for the RGV All-Star Baseball game, which is scheduled for 7 p.m. on Saturday, June 15 at the La Jolla Baseball Complex. PSJ High's Trey Guajardo, Ariben Gutierrez, and Ezequiel Maruquin, as well as PSJ North's Andy Palacios and Damian Rodriguez, are set to join players from all over the valley for the big game between the West and the East. So best of luck to our players this Saturday. Your PSJ family is rooting for you all. 6 of our schools have been named to the 2018-2019 Educational Results Partnership Honor Roll for their high achievement in student success. The Honor Roll distinction recognizes schools and districts that have demonstrated consistent high levels of student academic achievement, improvement in achievement levels over time, and a reduction in achievement gaps among student populations. So, congrats to the following PSJ campuses that were recognized among the select public schools in Texas and California: Carmen Anaya Elementary, Ardo Elementary, Cesar Chavez Elementary, Dr. Long Elementary, Marcia Garza Elementary, and Palmer Elementary. As a way to help bring back the monarchs and protect all pollinators, a monarch conservation workshop called Train the Trainer will be offered this Saturday, June 15th. It will be a first of its kind here in the RGV, so don't miss out on this chance to learn about monarch biology, ecology, and conservation. If you'd like to register, just click on the link in the description and you'll learn how to do your part in helping these beautiful butterflies. Parents, you are now able to access your child's STAR test results. There are a few steps that you have to follow to make sure you're able to log in, but lucky for you, we have all the steps listed out in detail on our website, so be sure to visit psgisd.us/starscores as soon as you can. Well, that does it for this newscast. I want to thank you all for tuning in. And remember, if you want to be mentioned on this newscast, tag me on Twitter to let me know. For stories and news from across your district, be sure to follow PSJAISD on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And you can follow me and my PSJ travels on Snapchat at PSJISD and on Twitter at PSJ_SnapGirl for fun stories and behind-the-scenes looks before we get our stories to you. And you are now up to date with PSJA. Until next week, PSJ family.